Oh, look at that run up.
Mm. Let me just screenshot where we are, if I can.
Oh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh gosh. Something's rocking.
Yeah, that'll be my drink.
Oh. Oh look, little stream.
Oh.
Little teeny tiny stream. Both.
Not to get your wheels wet, so you got extra little grip.
Yeah. To make the hill even slipperier.
Exactly. So just when it's not probably grippy enough as it is.
Don't know, this is more grippy than a lot of
That is true.
things been. Don't do a slap.
Maybe. You'll laugh if I do.
Yeah,
I fall on my bum.
As long as you fall on your bum, not your face, just don't hurt yourself. Yeah. Excuse me.
Perfect, thank you.
This gate open as well.
Thank you, Sheep.
Cheers.
Probably you got to wait for sheep to cross the road, don't I?
It's right.
You were saying you're too polite to just act your age and say, yeah, whatever.
Yeah, blood, whatever, man. Yeah, whatever.
Do that next time. It'll be a nice surprise for her.
Oh, will do.
She's only brave enough to say all that while she was out of the vehicle.
So,
So, right.
yeah, whatever, blood, whatever. Oh, man, come on, man. Hurry up.
Don't drop me into that much.
Who said that? Pheasant.
You're a peasant.
It's a pheasant, not peasant.
So you called me a peasant.
No, it's called you a pheasant.
You're a peasant.
This looks a bit bouncy.
Yeah.
Bit lumpy.
Oh god.
I don't know what you mean.
I need a wee.
I'll just scalp it for you on my way across.
This is different.
Yeah, I'm definitely scalping it at the moment.
Smooth it out for next week.
Yeah, no.
Can see evidence that I am, don't tell me.
I can't see a thing.
I got my eyes shut, so I'm fine.
You've always got your eyes shut.
Alana might have found that quite funny.
I'm glad it's not just me that's noticed that one.
Find the twig.
What twig?
It's alright, it's now another foot taller.
You should have said what twig. You couldn't see it. You got your eyes shut, remember? As I spank it into a tree.
It's funny, I could see that you were coming out of the rut and I knew it was going to throw you back in again.
Sometimes it's hard to gauge where the rut is versus where you are. Do you know what I mean?
This is so nice being lifted.
Oh god, yeah.
So nice.
100%.
I think it's the first time we've really had a tester.
Yeah, definitely.
So nice.
It was like the last trip, I feel like we kind of noticed that we were lifted because we didn't drag, but overall it wasn't too bad.
No. Yeah.
Ugh. So I know I ain't completely lost you.
Yeah. Wow, the angle.
Angle of the dang, yeah.
Quite angly.
Ready?
Yeah.
Boy.
Whee!
I think I half bounced out the rut at the same time there. Cracking angle, that one.
It's a good bit of off-roading.
Yeah.
God, these branches are getting a bit low.
Getting a bit chunky and all, aren't they?
You won't want it to fall much lower.
Oh, wow.
Persuade the car along.
Wee. Wee. Alright.
We're all good.
This is not good when you need a wee.
It's the third to last lane.
And then we get to go around and do it all over again? Yeah.
I love this trip. I love this. Is good fun.
He's got a cracking sense.
He does.
Between the two of them.
100%. They're a wicked couple.
They are.
It's not me, it's the hill descent.
I know.
The hill descent's like, no you don't. No you don't. Yeah you don't. No
I
you
don't
don't.
want to think about that.
What was that?
Maybe. I had a long think about that.
I wonder what the smell was.
It's just manual clutch.
Call it what you like. I don't know if I believe you though.
I don't think I can generate that much heat with one brain cell anyway.
You'll be surprised. Scott don't do too bad.
Don't let him know.
It's alright, I've got my eyes closed, so it's fine.
Oh my God.
Same here, don't worry.
Oh. Wow. You got it? Oh, just thought I'd check. Just in case I need to radio up to Michael and say we're not stopping.
Oh no, it's fine. I'm
Lumpy,
not even on the brake. Ready? Duh. Duh. Oh Jesus!
Oh.
do that bit again.
I almost wheezed.
Alana's almost weed and I've almost knocked myself out.
Big rust coming up.
Oh my God! I really need to wee now.
I think this is the
The
fast.
only way on this rut is to commit.
Yeah, we're fully committed.
Wow.
This could be another interesting part.
Yeah.
It's all soft anyway.
Nah, that's fine. Even standard.
You get a wheel wash.
Yeah, you do.
Oh, that'd be quality to film from.
Yeah.
Even if you would have tried to straddle that, you would have just slipped back into it anyway.
That's where a magnet thing would be genius.
I can see why lorry drivers had them on a wire. They just let go in.
Lumpy again.
Doing.
Wow.
Wow, it's little. Doing.
Wow.
Wow, it's little. Wheel literally lifted off the ground.
Wow. I won't do it yet.
Yeah, no, bad idea. Ready?
Yep.
Oh.
But as long as it's somewhat
Picklescott.
maintained.
I love this
Oh
place.
yeah.
Your passenger in vinegar.
Yeah, I remember looking at this on Google and having a giggle to myself.
Gonna pickle ya.
Wow. View.
That's a view.
Isn't it just?
I like the fact because of it being like foggy or whatever,
Yeah.
it
Just
looks
that.
almost steamy.
Yeah.
I'm glad we didn't want to recce this on our own
Yeah.
because I don't know where we'd have ended
I
up.
think there would have been a few
Like
bits.
being in a train.
It's this way or this way, it seems.
I feel like I keep moving the steering, but I don't know why. I'm not doing it. through choice.
Whee!
Was that planned?
I don't think he's seen these bits up ahead
Yeah, possibly.
and wanted the choice. Oh. I see why he did that now.
Just watch where you go before you follow.
think we're on the lifted route only, just there with how much that was dragging.
Wow.
It's quite cool. Oh.
I didn't think you were going to be able to get out.
Nah.